Well, welcome to Wisdom Learning Classes. From Wisdom Learning Classes, we are starting IGCSE Mathematics O level and E level. So, from the all chapters, we are discussing 5 questions every day for understanding purpose from the basic level to the higher level. We are completing all chapter before your examination. So, if you are watching the first time our video, our channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Similarly, if you like the video, then please share like the button and share to your friends. If you have any query about the video, please give the comment section. I will give the answer to you. Thank you, Anna and all. I am Murali Lal, your maths teacher. Welcome to IGCSE Mathematics first chapter quadratic. One request is there. Don't skip the video. Should be watch the video till end. Then only you can understand the video concept, chapter concept. Then you can solve any problem from the all chapters. Thank you, Ananda. We can enter the class. First of all, we are discussing about what is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is the equation which has the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, real number, and a not equal to 0. Why? Because if a became a 0, the term x square became a 0. So that is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation have the highest degree of a variable should be 2. So ax square should be there. We can 0, b and 0, c, b and 0, we can make it c, 0, but a we did not add. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Then where a is equal to, what is a? Coefficient of a x square, and what is b? B is equal to coefficient of x, and where c is always constant. Constant means independent of variable. Constant means independent of variable. So first of all, we are starting the quadratic equation. First method is factorization method. Factorization method means when the equation is giving ax square plus bx plus ax square plus bx plus z is the quadratic equation, then factorization method, we split the middle term, that is equal to the coefficient of x only. That this term is split into the two parts, and we are solving the equation, that is called the factorization method. We are understanding more using the problem. First problem we are giving, solve by factorizing x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So we have to find first product of coefficient of x square and constant. What is coefficient of x square? X square, the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. So 1 into, what is the constant? I told that the standard form is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here b is equal to minus 12. So 1 into minus 12 is equal to, that is equal to minus 12. That is the product. Then we are getting the product of the numbers. Then factorize this middle term, that is equal to x, factorize in the two terms. So first of all, we want to find the what are the numbers when multiplied, we are getting minus 12. That is equal to 1 into minus 12 is equal to minus 12. Am I right? So one for getting the product is minus value, one value should be minus. And minus 1 into 12 also minus 12. Correct? Then 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. Similarly, minus 2 into 6 is equal to minus 2. Clear? Then next, 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Similarly, minus 3 into 4 is equal to minus 2. Starting time we are like this doing. So any other factors there? No. This is the R factors about the getting the when the product is equal to minus 2. Am I right? Next. So next we are finding these factors when adding. What getting 1 and 1 plus minus 12. What is getting? Minus 11. What is this is getting? Plus 11. 2 and minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Minus 2 and 6 when adding we are getting the 4. 3 and minus 4 when adding we are getting minus 1. Minus 3 and 4 when we are adding we are getting the 1. So we are find the sum. Here they are find the sum of the factors. Then what is here? X, what is the coefficient of x? X is equal to plus 1. So what is the factors? Minus 3 and 4. So we are separate, divide in the two types like that is x square. X we can write as minus 3x plus 4x. So minus 3x plus 4x you are getting the plus 1 minus 12 is equal to 0. Why minus 3 and 4? So we are finding the minus 3 into 4 is equal to minus 12 and minus 3 plus 4 is equal to plus. So then from this first term, we are taking the common as x is taking as a common. After x square, x is coming outside, remaining 1x is remaining. Then minus 3x, x is coming outside, what is remaining? Minus 3 plus. What is here form? Here 4 is the common number. What is 4x? 4 is taken common, then remaining x. That means minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. Again, we can take the common x minus 3 as a common. So we can write x minus 3 into what is remaining first term? This is remaining only x plus what is remaining 4? This is 4 is equal to 0. So we are getting the two factors where we studied earlier class, that is equal to p into q is equal to 0. That means product of two numbers is equal to 0. Either p is equal to 0 or q is equal to 0 or both are equal to 0. Then only we are getting the angle 0. So that means we can write the x minus 3 is equal to 0. So what is getting x? X is equal to 3. Similarly, x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is getting? X is equal to minus 4. So quadratic equation have two values of the variable. Here one value is 3. Next question. Solve 3x square minus 6x minus 6. Before that, this problem. X square minus 7x plus 10. What is the coefficient of a is equal to say 1 and constant is equal to 10. That is equal to 1 into 10 is equal to. So when we are multiplied with the two positive values, we are getting the positive values. When we are multiplied both negative number, we are again getting the positive value. So why? So getting the plus 10, 1 into 10 is equal to 10 and minus 1 into minus 10 is equal to 10. Again, 2 into 5 is equal to 10 and again minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to plus 10. So what we are getting, this is we adding 1 and 10 we are getting minus 11. Here we are minus 1 and minus 10 we are adding minus 11. and we are adding 2 and 5, we are getting 7. Minus 2 and minus 5, we are getting minus 7. Here we need a minus 7. So we are taking the minus 2 and minus 5. So we can split the term of minus x square minus 7x. Instead of minus 7x, we can split the minus 7x as minus 2x minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. And from these two, we are taking common x into x minus 2, again taking common minus 5 into x plus 10 divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. From here we are taking again x minus 2 is the common factor. Then x minus 2 into what is remaining there? X minus 5 is equal to 0. When two numbers are multiplied, we are getting answer 0. That is the meaning x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what is the value? X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5. So for quadratic equation, we are getting the two values. Clear? Next question. Solving the factorization, 3x square minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. So we are getting minus 18. So again minus 3 into 6 is equal to minus 80. We need a minus 80. What are the numbers coming? We can check. Again 2 into minus 9 is equal to minus 18. Similarly, minus 2 into 9 is equal to minus 18. And we can add 3 and minus 6. We are getting the minus 3. Minus 3 and 6, we are getting the 3. 2 and minus 10, we are getting minus 7. And minus 2 and 9 adding, we are getting the 7. What we need? We need minus 3. So minus 3 and minus 6. So we can write 3x square minus, say factorize, split the term minus 3x as 3x plus 3x minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. From first two terms, we can take what is taken, 3x is taken as a common. What is remaining? Here 3 going, x going, the remaining x is coming. From 3x, we are going to 3x is common, remaining 1. Here we can take minus 6 is a common and minus 6 divided by minus 6 is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, we can take the x plus 1 is a common number. X plus 1 is a common number. Then, what is remaining here? 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So, x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the meaning? X is equal to minus 1. Similarly, 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. That means 3x is equal to minus 6 became plus 6. And what is the value of x? X is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. One value is a minus 1 and another value is equal to plus 2. This is the answer. Next question. Some next level we are I reached 21 divided by 2x minus 2 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 1. This is a fraction number. So what is getting? We want to first of all cross multiply. This is cross multiply to here and this is cross multiply to here. So what is getting? 21 into x plus 3 minus 2 into 2x is equal to 4x. The whole divided by 2x into x plus 3 is equal to 1. Again, this is cross multiply here. So we are getting 21x into 21 into x is equal to 21x plus 21 into 3 is equal to 63 minus 4x is equal to 2x into x is equal to 2x square. 2x into plus 3 is equal to plus 6x. So we can rearrange the equation as 2x square plus 6x is equal to 21x minus 4x is equal to 17x plus 63. So 2x square, 17x coming left side minus 17x plus 6x, 63 coming left side minus 63 is equal to 0. So the quadratic equation became 2x square minus 11, 17x plus 6x is equal to minus 11x minus 63 is equal to 0. So what is the product? 63 into 2 is equal to 126. 126 we can split into 7 into minus 18. 7 into minus 80, that is equal to minus 126 minus 126. So we can rewrite it 2x square. 11x we can write as plus 7x minus 18x minus 63 is equal to 0. Taking the common from the first two terms, we are getting x as a common. Remaining 2x plus 7 minus, here common is equal to 9. 18x divided by minus 18x divided by minus 9 is equal to 2x. Minus 63 divided by minus 9 is equal to plus is equal to 0. Again common. 2x plus 7 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 7 by 2 and x is equal to minus, this is plus 9. This is the two values. Clear? Any doubts means you can comment the section. Next question we can discuss. Next question. 3x square plus 26x plus 35 divided by x square plus 8 is equal to 0. So we can, this is a numerator is a one quadratic equation and the denominator has another quadratic. So the right side is equal to 0. So we can cross multiply it like this. So this denominator will be vanished. So we are getting 3x square plus 26x plus 35 is equal to 0. All are positive. So 35 into 3 is equal to 105. 105 we can split into 21 into 5. So 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. So we are writing 3x square plus 21x plus 5x plus 35 is equal to 0. So from first two terms, we can take as a common 3x. Remaining we are getting x plus 7. And second two terms we can take the common factor 5 and remaining x plus 7 is equal to 0. From this we are taking again the common factors x plus 7. Then into what is remaining 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. From this we are getting x is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to minus 5 divided by 3. So this is the two values. So next level we can come to the next video. Please stay tuned with the wisdom learning classes. Thank you, one and all.